Terra holder. So what's going on, my brother? Terra absolutely very fastest cryptocurrencies. But in those days, Terra goes down. So why they goes down? A lot of holders ask me this question. So this is the live price prediction of Terra. We explain these all problems and these all issues to why they going down. Everything. This is a discussion video. So please keep watch this video. This is very informative for Terra holder. If you are not Terra holder, just skip this video and don't watch. So guys, and my brother especially, I request you to please before I start this brand video, request you to please subscribe this channel. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe. And you are my brother, so please, like, I hope you subscribe it. Okay, so let's get started this price prediction of Terra brothers. First of all, I gonna show you the last 124-hour results. Okay, if you can see here in the graph result, the graph result is absolutely goes down. Therefore, Terra holder asked me a question to why they going down. What we do? This is selling time, buying time, holding time. So I share my opinion in this video. So please keep watch and remember which I show you. Please, if you can see here, this remember minus 2.28% chance as goes down. Absolutely, this is very bad chance. But why? But why we see this chance? I explain in this video. But first of all, let's see the last 1 hour result, guys, and then I explain you to why the result has gone down and what we do. If you can see here, this time the result is absolutely and positive. Then therefore I am very happy. And guys, if you can check it out, this time they can go like a rocket. This time you can see here, this is the I think this is 20 minutes. I think in the 20 minutes they can go off like a rocket. So why they go like a rocket? I hope they starting moving off like a rocket just in a few days. This is my expectation. My expectation is that today gone like a rocket in a few days. So why they going down and those days? Terra absolutely very fastest cryptocurrency, but then those days all cryptocurrency, my brother, all cryptocurrencies goes down. Not just Terra. This is not just Terra problem. All cryptocurrencies as goes down. So why Terra as goes down? So this is at the start of a month, and every start of month all cryptocurrencies goes down. So Terra is already goes down. So I hope and upcoming days at the mid of this month, I hope they can starting growing up like a rocket, and they change the profit, they change the price absolutely, and just 25 US dollar easily they cross it. And this month at the end they can give you 25 US dollar. What your hope? This is my opinion. Please what's your opinion to this is selling time or buying time? So my opinion is that I think this is absolutely good time for buying. Just buy it and hold it and wait for the end of month. This is my opinion. Please share your opinion in a comment box. This is very important for me, for all holders of Terra. So please share it in a comment box. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you need this type more video, please, I hope you subscribe ABS Tech channel, and don't forget to like. See you next time.